me, are you coming down? Cause I know soon I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this set using Tracy Nailz gel polish, so just keep watching. These are the 4 colors I used. Too late, please don't tell, don't play me, I feel nothing. I'll also have the names in the description. Here I'm just putting the 4 colors on this opal nail art plate. It's just easier to get the colors from instead of like dipping into the gel polish bottle. To start recording, but basically you just take a long, thin, super thin striper brush and you just make super straight lines. It's a super easy set, but it's just really nice to look at and it looks like you tried very hard. In between each color I did wipe off the brush. I just wanted to show you guys right there. I did it between every color, but that's the only time I actually showed myself doing it. And yeah, this first nail I'll show in real time so you guys can see just how long it took, but the rest of them will be sped up. Between each color you do want to leave a little bit of space so that they don't touch. Also, I don't cure these first layers, so the first layer of each color I just did a thin layer. Tracy Nailz, her polish is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot of it. And the way I do my lines is I pretty much do the outlines and I fill it in. You guys will notice with a lot of my videos, it's pretty much my favorite technique. go ahead and flash cure that for like 5 to 7 seconds in this little mini Kara sky lamp. I love it so much. You can tell by how dirty it is that I use it a lot. I use it with crystals. When I'm making press-ons that have a lot of crystals, I like to individually cure the nail so that the crystals don't move inside of the glue. So that's a helpful tip. And right now I'm just going back in with a second layer for each color. Basically how I do the design. I'm gonna do the rest of this hand. I think you guys should definitely try this design out. Obviously you don't have to do pinks like I do, but you can do like shades of purple, blue, nudes. I did want to do a nude set, but I honestly hated making this one. Like, it's fun to make, but I had so many orders for it, so doing this set like 12 times sucked because it is very time consuming. I know this video is only 11 minutes, but this when it's short square like this, it took about 2.5 hours, and a long square took 4 hours. So having to make it a lot of times makes me not want to make it no more. So if you guys do this design, definitely let me see. I'm not the creator of this. The first person I saw do it was Chaun Legend, of course. So you guys can tag him and me if you guys watched my video and I helped you, of course. I think I just said of course twice. That's annoying. But polish on. I'm using Beetles just because this set was just for the video. When I do it for customers, I use a Prey matte polish. That's like my favorite matte one. I heard Koopa is really good too, but I haven't tried it. And I don't know why I didn't speed through this clip. My bad. set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next or later this week.
Are you coming down? Cause I know soon I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down.